Hi guys, Legacy is always on the forefront of innovation. We always bring something new, something innovative when we go to trade show. This year is no different than last year. We've developed something that has been coming now for the past year. We've worked closely with Armand Dupree, a Protea feeder angler, as well as Van der Libbe from the Bank Angler to develop these amazing products. It started out as a feeder pop in Legacy series. We've tested it through multiple of our top anglers at the Nail, at the Valdam, in Bloemhof, and they've all produced results. It's a unique product made in South Africa. It's hand rolled, and we've now expanded the range after testing to show you the new hybrid wafter pops. So you get it in two types. The one is the two-tone. You'll see it's an amazing two-color, two-flavor pop. It comes in these new containers, stunning, the two-tone one. And then we've got the singles. So that's a single color, single flavor hybrid wafter pops. So these two you can get at a shop near you. I want to show you. They've got the guys that we've been working with, Van and Armand, have so much faith in it. They've put their name to it. 18-time Protea angler, Van der Libbe, and Armand Dupree, various competition winners in the feeder, method feeder scene. These pops are so unique. It's the first hook bait in South Africa that you can use for specimen as a sighter or as a wafter. If you put two on, it can work as a pop-up, as well as in feeder angling as a wafter bait with the method feeder, as well as in bank angling. If you cut it in half, it can work as a normal floaty on your hooks. So one product that can catch in three different facets of angling, very unique, South African made. Support the brand Legacy Series Hybrid Wafter Pops in amazing colors. For example, this one's berries and white chocolate, amazing flavors. We've got the yellow and red ones. And then I want to show you some of these exciting, the brown one. It's not brown, it's fluorescent. If you put it in the water, you'll see in the videos I recently posted onto YouTube, it bleeds amazingly in the water. And then we've got like neon green Bloekom. So this comes out in 11 flavors, the singles, as well as 11 flavors in the two-tone colors. Get yours. This season is hybrid wafter pop time. Use it in bank angling as a floaty. Use it in specimen as a sighter, wafter, or pop-up. And the feeder guys already know how well it does. It has proven itself.